Arthur Braveboy, a 35-year-old mechanic of Woolwich Road, St. George, turned himself in to the police last Friday, one day after the police issued a wanted bulletin in his name for questioning in connection with the offence of dangerous harm. Braveboy was denied bail when he appeared before Chief Magistrate Francine Foster at the St. George's No. 1 Magistrates Court on Monday, charged with attempted non-capital murder, possession of a firearm and ammunition. According to his attorney David Edmond from the law firm of Just Pro Attorneys at Law, the charges stem from a shooting incident that occurred last Thursday in the vicinity of Melville Street, St. George's.
He went before the court. He wasn't called upon to plead. What I did was a bail application. The court considered the points that I raised according to what the law states here in Grenada, and in considering those points, as well as considering the points of the prosecution, he wasn't able to obtain bail at this occasion because of some pending matters mainly the court considered. But through it all, a person is presumed innocent unless the prosecution could prove that they are guilty. So we will continue to put forward a client's case when the appropriate time comes.
Braveboy, who has matters of a similar nature pending before the court, also has several convictions dating back to more than 10 years. Attorney Edmond has expressed concerns to the court that the police prosecution team relied on these outdated matters as grounds to object to bail being granted to his client.
The prosecutor did raise those sorts of points, and it's a very interesting point that you raised because those matters that are of a certain vintage, I put forward the point that it's one where a person may have served their time for those sorts of offences, and really the amount of weight that should be given to those shouldn't be of a great weight at all. If there's a serious period of time that a person could potentially spend in custody, but we're hoping that when the court considers all of the evidence, the court will be able to administer justice accordingly.
Braveboy is scheduled to reappear in court for mention on July 3rd. A mention means that the case is mentioned in court and that the charges are not yet formally listed for a plea. Braveboy's trial has been scheduled for August 29th. For GBN News, I'm Nisha Paul.